Alrighty, just want to make a quick video on this modification I did. It's more of a entertaining modification than it is a practical one on the 570 here. I straight piped it, and by that I just mean I just took the muffler off of it. Here's the muffler right here, the stock muffler, and then to take that off, you pop the two springs, and here's the two bolts and their little assembly that hold it in. This piece is what goes right here and allows you to kind of rotate the muffler when you're trying to pop the springs off. Now, I'm not going to show you how to take that off, because if you can't figure that out, I don't really know what to tell you. It's pretty straightforward. Springs can be a little bit of a pain, but it's not hard. Here is just the open pipe coming straight out of the motor. Now, you tell me if I'm wrong. I don't think there's any other sort of filter it's running through, but here's the pipe. The springs connect to right here and here. The other bolts right here. And where'd the other one go? Oh yeah, right here. It's the other bolt. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So now I'm gonna set this camera up. We'll start it up for you. It's funny. It doesn't sound good by any means, but it's a funny sound. So yeah, like I said, it definitely doesn't sound good. It's more of a get a good laugh out of how obnoxious it is, and then put that muffler right back on, or put on whatever one you've ordered, because you're not going to be riding around like that. But I would recommend you take it off just to see what it sounds like, because in person it's way different than what the camera makes it sound like. So for sure, take it off. Don't ride around with it like that. It's awful. So y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all be sure to subscribe, like, do all that kind of good stuff. It'll make me happy. And y'all be waiting for the next one. Thank you.